Hello guys, so POV photography today in London. We have the Sony a7R III and the new actually 24 to 70 G Master Lens Mark II. We're gonna walk through Soho and all these areas, the West End, and take some shots. And here we go, Moulin Rouge. And one of my friends is in the cast, and there she is in the poster. So that's the first photo we're gonna take. So Tanisha, if you're seeing this, you've done great for your career, well done. We worked with this lady previously and I dropped the link here, so check her out, she's amazing. And we're gonna go in the 17 millimeters, I guess, f2.8, boom. So as I'm walking back, because I want to take a shot of the theater itself. I reviewed this lens before, you can check the video on my channel right here again. And I want to get something like this. So we have a bit of this pop in the front. I can focus with the digital screen here, and I want to get the Moulin Rouge tag on the left hand side. Actually, I want to get the bridge as well here. So I'm going to go backward for a larger shot, wider shot, and focusing on the Moulin Rouge text there, and I can lower down as well to get some of the floor. It's nice and shiny, and it really changes the perspective. Check this out. And I want to see the text of the pub as well, so something like that. Guys, we're still here. I want to get this nice Piccadilly Theatre tag. This is just memories for me. So I used to work in Sony Pictures in that building for 10 years. So some of the best times actually here in London. And let's get one of these shots here of the square. Let's find a way. This is just a shot for myself. So what can we do here? I like the autumnal colors, but we're gonna play with the symmetries, and I'm gonna increase the ISO a little bit, and I'm gonna go down again. I never noticed the buildings at the back. That's funny, right? How photography actually helps you to spot things and notice the details. I'm back here at the entrance because I want to get the statue from the front. We're going to change the temperature as well now because it's getting much cooler. 6,000 at the moment. I'm going to zoom in at 70. It's nothing special. So maybe I put it wider. And go this way. Back a little bit. Let's see if through the gate is actually better. Yeah, there you go. Like that. Does anybody know where we are? All right, can you see there? Carnaby Street, one of the busiest streets here in London, especially in the weekend. There's not much decoration, they're not really good. So we're just off Kingly Court, right? It's one of the best places in London where you can find a lot of restaurants and different cuisines. And we got this nice shot here. How about this reflection? I like the colors in green there. Let's try to find the right reflection maybe. Okay, check this out guys, there's some good contrast between the orange of the fire inside and the green. Okay, there's a lady here at the window. I'm gonna go to 70 millimeters. We're still at f2.8 and I saw 800, shutter 1/100 of a second. And we're gonna as it's Halloween night, actually not yet, but Halloween weekend, I found this Halloween costume shop. It looks quite interesting, and as we're talking also about the 2470, I'm noticing some distortion at 24 millimeters, quite a lot actually, more than some of the 16 to 35. That's really weird. So let's take a shot here. If you look at the bottom line here of the shop, it's a bit curved, and if I zoom in to how much, that's around 40, much less of course. Interesting. Right guys, this is a cool shot. I tried to be a bit sneaky on a 70 mil. That's cool. right there. Closer there. Love it. Got you a nice shot, dude.
Ah, nice.
Love
yes,
it.
man.
Is it okay if I take one from the front of you? It looks amazing, man. Nice ride. Cheers, dude. So let's take it this way. That looks so sick. Check this out. Wow. So sick. Ah, so cool. Look
Yes,
at that
my
thing.
brother. Ah, yes. I heard it's my guy with the back. Yes, people. Yes,
Love
you
it.
good? You are ready. My old man.
Nice one. Okay, so that's definitely one of the best shots I got so far. And probably the shot that will make it to the thumbnail of this video. So as I got a vertical shot here, and I want to use it as a thumbnail, I don't have enough space to create a 16:9 image, so I'm gonna do that now and recreate it in post-production. All right, more theater. You guys must know I love theater by now, as I did some musical theater courses as well last year, but I love this symmetry with the sign in the middle. Boom. You have to visit London if you haven't been, because it's amazing. There's a nice stage door sign. I love signing neon lights as well, which look great. So we take it up there on it. 70. Oh wow, there's a bit of smoke. It looks really New Yorky, and that way too. Look at this. I'm just shooting everything at f2.8. I'm also testing the brightness of this lens, which looks great so far. We have a bit of shining floor because it rained. We're in Chinatown, there's always something cool here. It looks quite New Yorky as well. And there's a nice alley here. It's really cool, guys. Would you not expect Jackie Chan to just jump in front of you? Wow, that's pretty cool. Can we get a shot here? I need to change the temperature again. Wow. It reminds me of some alleys in Japan as well. Ah, look at the contrast of the sky. Wow. Really cool stuff. I love London. Woo! Okay, I've seen this window. It has a nice framing here, some decoration. We can use it as a frame actually. And I'm gonna switch to manual focus because I want to make sure I nail what I want to nail, which are these ladies inside. There she is on the phone. Okay, there's a nice lantern there, which is huge. So I want to keep it in the center of my frame, but also keep the building behind the lantern in a symmetry. So this is the shot I'm taking at the moment. And that's something that really works in photography. So all the symmetries usually are super cool if you find the right spot, of course. Okay, we have one of these phone boxes, proper London, so we're gonna get some reflections here. I'm gonna go as close as I can to the window. Oh, check this out. It's pretty cool. And we're gonna get people passing by, reflecting on the window. We're working with symmetries again here, guys, yeah? I'm gonna go a bit wider. Nice. And I keep more of the background actually a bit higher. Lovely stuff. That was fun. We're approaching another icon of London, the Prince Charles Cinema. So that's a vintage films theater, and let's see if we can frame it through this bike frame actually. Oh yeah, let's get the, there's a bit of drops of rain on the lens as well, which I like, but let's take cover because that's a brand new lens. All right, people, as it doesn't stop raining, I'm gonna go home. And I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, hit subscribe. Many more videos are coming. Actually, I'm traveling to the Philippines in 10 days, so a lot of photography and videography from there with new gear as well. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.